Hey, what's up guys? Artist Dirty Donny Gillies here. Today I'm going to give you a studio tour, a tour of my personal studio where I do all my work, my artwork, and my computer design. I have a few different studios. This is studio number 1. So this is for drawing and computers and my books, and this is where I spend most of my time. People have been asking, they want to see what's on the shelves, what's over here that you never see. Let's do the tour. Let's go on a little studio tour. Warning, the time wasted watching this video is non-refundable.
You are watching DDTV.
Okay, so we might as well start here with the shelf that you see, that you actually can't see all the toys on it, unless you zoom in, and you still probably can't see them. Everyone asks about this shelf and what's on it. Let me show you what's on it. You're gonna notice that there is a mirror right here. I got this here shelf for, I think, 40 bucks. It's kind of a granny shelf. I'm gonna paint it. This whole wall I'm gonna redo. I'm gonna redo it kind of like that wall. I did all the woodwork on that, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here, custom shelves for custom toys. But in the meantime, I have this granny shelf, so we'll check out what's on it. So this is a company called Shelter Bank. They make these really cool monsters. I got this from Shelter Bank. We did a trade. I've got this from Monster Farm, my buddy Chop of Monster Farm. So Chop did that guy, and he did these guys down here. That's Monster Farm, and these are Shelter Bank as well. So that we bought at Designer Con. The Dirty Donny Too Much character, AMT model that you build. This is a vintage Weirdos. And I've got my vintage muscles. This is actually, I got this when I was a kid, so this is from when I was a kid. It's still full. Of course I opened and played with them, but still got that one, so that's actually mine. I bought it on the shelf when it came out, when it was brand new. It was such a cool thing. And then I got my slime from when I was a kid. And then I've got some of the Super 7 reissues of the muscles, which is very cool. So yeah, Kraken from Clash of the Titans, the original toy. It's worth like a small fortune. I don't have the box for it, but I've had that for quite a while. This is from Japan from the 50s. Not sure the make or what it's called, but this is really cool. And there is my Twippy award that I won for, let me show you. Won the Twippy for this year, Aerosmith Pinball. So this is my drawing table. This is a vintage light table that I got in San Francisco as a homemade deal. And I got it for a couple $100, like years ago. I've been using this thing forever. It lights up, it's pretty cool. Here's my hand in carbonite. This is not a kit. I built this myself. I went on different forums and stuff, and I took about 2 years to get all the parts for it. People make them and stuff, so I went to all these different people and built this. There's a video on Donny TV, Dirty Donny TV, so check it out. We got a video, it's pretty cool. Here it is, hand in carbonite, my build. So this is my reference library, where I keep all my reference books. This is one of my favorite books, So Beautiful, So Dangerous. watching Dirty Donny TV.
I'm getting Joshua trees ready to go to Coyote Corner in Joshua Tree because they bought some. This is my crafting work area, yes. This is where it all happens. Except for when it's happening by the TV. And thank you, Donny, for helping me make these.
You're watching Donny TV.
Cartoons by Travis.
Hello? 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 Mommy, they picked up! Hello? Pardon? Hi! My mommy told me to call you. Hi! Mommy!
Hi.
You're talking on the phone. Hi!
Wait, you got the wrong number, kid. You're gonna have to
You
talk
know
to Mom
what?
again.
I like ice
What?
cream.
Donny TV.
Got a package from Threadless, gonna open it. I believe it's from Trev. I believe it's from Trevor's store, link below. Trevor does the cartoons, Trevor Borns does all the cartoons for Donny TV. Let's open it up. This is Jennie's. Jennie got that shirt. Birdman guy. The Reaper. And he's also got product on product, so he's got an actual picture of a mug, of this mug on this mug, on this mug on this mug. So anyways, go to Trev's store, check out Trev's store, help us create. Go to Trev's store and buy stuff. He does a lot of work for the channel. He's one of my oldest friends. Got a box of tapes from my friend Marnie Rankin from Canada. Right on, Marnie. I think I know what this is. I think these are VHS tapes for Slurm City Video for our archive. So I'm gonna open these. Let's open them. Marnie, thanks so much for your John Waters collection. It's amazing, and it's got a space on our shelf at Slurm City Video. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We got bandanas at dirtydonny.com.
Yeah, we got a puzzle, we got masks, we got mini posters, we got stickers.
Hi there, sailor.
We got masks, we got posters, we got bandanas at dirtydonny.com.
DDTV.com.
Hey, you guys got posters?
Of course we got posters.
You guys got puzzles?
Have you been living under a rock?
I got a mask.
I got a mask.
Let's sell guitars. We got no guitars, but we got some posters.
Oh, gnarly!
I'm here to buy some posters.
Posters!
I am the real Easter Bunny. Hop, hop.
Hi there, sailor.
Come on down to dirtydonny.com.
You guys got bandanas?
We sure do!
Come on down to DirtyDonny.com. That's where you get them. It is located in the outer space on the wide worldwide interwebs.
Don't forget to subscribe.